Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I send money from Deel to PayPal? I know that a lot of you are using Deel to get paid for your work, and you may be wondering how you can transfer your earnings to your PayPal account. So, let's get started. What is Deel? Before we get into the details of how to send money from Deel to PayPal, let's take a quick look at what Deel is. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy for businesses to hire and pay employees from anywhere in the world. Deel provides a range of services, including payroll processing, tax compliance, benefits administration, global HR support. Deel is a great option for businesses that are looking to expand their operations to new markets or that need to hire remote employees. How to send money from Deel to PayPal. Now that we know what Deel is, let's get to the meat of the matter. How to send money from Deel to PayPal. There are two ways to send money from Deel to PayPal. Use the Deel app. The easiest way to send money from Deel to PayPal is to use the Deel app. Here's how to do it. Open the Deel app and log in to your account. Click on the Payouts tab. Select PayPal as your payment method. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Click on the Send button. The money will be transferred to your PayPal account within a few minutes. Use the Deel website. You can also send money from Deel to PayPal using the Deel website. Here's how to do it. Go to the Deel website and log in to your account. Click on the Payouts tab. Select PayPal as your payment method. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Click on the Send button. The money will be transferred to your PayPal account within a few minutes. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for sending money from Deel to PayPal. You can only send money from your Deel wallet to your PayPal account. The maximum amount of money you can send in a single transaction is $10,000. There is no fee for sending money from Deel to PayPal. Sending money from Deel to PayPal is easy and convenient. You can do it using the Deel app or the Deel website. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to check out my other videos on all things Deel. Thanks for watching.